Aissatou Sise, and this is the usual program, Talk to the Camera. Today we can work at Nasaka Stephen Street, PZ, and also Savo Street. We they talk to the dollar guys, the one that way they do business with dollar, where they change dollar and treat. Waiting at their own say because we'll be doing a press conference with the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation. Be say the dollar guys now then they pull the dollar price.
If you study elementary economics, you will not know that this foreign exchange earning is the one that is crippling African economy, particularly we in the West African country. If you have traveled in the French-speaking countries, for instance, Senegal, Ivory Coast, you will see that the franc CFA is very thorough and is valuable because in those countries, no matter what, they will not allow you to exchange their monies in the informal sector, what you call black market. People there on the street. If you take this black market business, some of us, quote unquote, will say if we stop the black market, we are taking our brothers and sisters off business. You are watching it from just a minute angle. Watch at the bigger picture. What is really wrong if you are doing a proper business in this country to transact or remit your money through the formal banking system? Because if your monies are paid, goods and services are paid for through the normal banking system, you still pay the forex, but that would provide enough forex that is commensurate to the volume of businesses that we are doing in our country. But if people come, they do business, and they do not want to transact through the normal banking system, so what do you expect? With all fairness, I don't want to name names, but the business people, be it Sierra Leonean, Lebanese, Indians, they are the ones that owns this money that the black marketers are using. So they get it, and guess what? You can all agree with me that when we took over, less than a month or two, we caught somebody trying to cater away with over $1 million out of the country illegally. So once they take these things illegally out of the country, whether by road, that was by air, we caught Alunge. But what's about the so many porous borders we have in this country that people travel with these things? So we suffer as a country, we suffer as a nation, and I want to believe, like they have put it straight, the one about the pricing at international level, yes, we have no hands in that. We cannot control that. But do you want to tell me that we do not have control over, we controlling the black markets in our country so that we have the forex with a stain in our country? Because the volume of forex, in business, the volume of business you do determines the volume of forex that you generate. So if the volume is up and the forex is low, then we come into issues like this. Where are our forex? Because what is really happening here is the foreign exchange, the devaluation of the leon that is hitting us. I mean, that is the fact.
So now we they go to them and try to talk to them, let we get their own side, waiting them make up of that statement say, where the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation they say concerning the dollar issue. Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name and that you be?
My name is Sir Abu.
I'm going for no business you do at this Stephen Street.
Well, I buy and sell foreign currency.
Okay, as you say you buy and sell foreign currency, we'll be there in a press conference, a Thursday press conference where they call now the Ministry of Information and Communication. We get the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation. Also, he say, una the dollar guys, now they do dollar business that treat, so una can pull the price of dollar. I go want to make you tell we how true than they be.
Well, as you say, not to with the pull price.
Okay.
We dollar come meet we now they buy the price of the day now they deal with. So and true now they say now we the pull price at all.
So I'm what's the difference between una way they do the dollar business that treat and the one they will get banks and MBO the way they do the dollar business?
Well, we in a black market.
Okay.
Then get office. We in a black market na street today. Now the different that.
So you get any different price from the dollar business from one way they trading at the black market and the one that way they in a bank and big. the price different?
Well, the price they only different when the demand high. When the demand high, then the supply low, then the price they rise up. And the different can be.
So what do you think? How you think about government for workforce to say the dollar stable in the country?
Well, wetin me dey advise government na for let them able for fast track for the mining company there, let them begin operate because na that go count foreign currency in the country.
So wetin na the word of encouragement when you go wan give the business people them and the one the way they do business with una for let them go continue for they do business with una?
Well, the word of advice wey I dey give to the business people dem, all for cash one for no able for control the price, no get one word because right now one word no dey, all man dey give your price for like get wetin they get for the day. If you no wan know if you get 1,000 or 2,000 per tap, $100, you go buy. See the price is not stable, it dey rise and fall.
So for now, wetin na the current price?
Well, right now as I dey speak to you, we dey buy 930, we dey sell 940.
Thank you very much. Welcome to this interview. Your name?
Mina Abdul Soul Sise.
Okay, I go want to know whose business you dey do na the Second Stephen Street.
Na dollar at the change.
We did in a press conference when on the Thursday press conference where the Ministry of Information and Communication came hold. We will get the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation who say una the dollar guys now una the poor dollar price. I go want to know how should they be.
You know how we the poor dollar price where it be say the source of the dollar not so we did it. We not just a petty trading. Now what they do na streets. The main outside the dollar they come out. We not get any affairs. Now like a way somebody they get in $100, it can't pass. Fair way for changer. You not go say they go na bank or either any other side for go changer. Pass it can because you want buy something at street. You go end up for say like change what I get. Than for all boku money, go and work out and then carry them there. So if you want come inside the shop, dollar mass there, you must say well I change, I buy something, now go able to get the change back. And then the other thing. Then the other thing is, you see the dollar, if you check from the bankers, then get people in the way they go left millions of loans in a bank. So when they're not businessman, they know they go buy business now, but then prefer make them convert the loans into dollar for them. What do they convert and they give bribe at the bank? So what do they bribe now at the bank? So that person they prefer now say, well, I convert for this one because you don't bribe me like if I get like 100 million, I go bribe like just say 5 million, 10 million for me then convert my money, and then they must convert into dollar. Then you don't get you the dollar now. They call for that dollar. They can't sit down with the dollar. The way you sit down with the dollar, you dey wait till the market shoot up. When you see dollar shorting, then you come say I get dollar. And now that rush, the people they rush now they cause the dollar because of it's short. Now they cause it there. But if the dollar they enough, no matter what, it they come down to I don't know. So until you use yourself for go and buy dollar, they free.
So what you don't say? So waiting at the word of advice we go and forgive the government concerning the dollar issue.
No use dollar as a key figure for business, shops, seller current, shop into dollar, rent, house into dollar. Now go do this business into everything about this country now so dollar. So people then prefer and keep the dollar and the host than then get the loans. And the best. So even if you get amounts where you want can put in host, where you want keep as a safekeeping, if they come on our streets, you don't mind the amounts where they buy the dollar. You don't mind. So long as you get the dollar, don't go keep an host. Then the more vary in a boku sectors there. The way people where they go prefer and keep the dollar and the host than the loans. If you work out dollar, I can get $1,000 at the pass side. You know they know it. They inside my pocket. But if I get $1,000 loans I hold on, so they notice me say I don't get money.
So that are the people that want to do business with. So now way they change dollar and athlete. So that are the set of people that want to do business with.
Like the one who they buy dollar to or the one who they sell
The
to.
one that want to buy to, the one that want to sell to.
The one the way be say they go pull, then get foreign accounts and get like a $1,000, then give them in a bank. They must come past just because of the notice say we own price they up. Now on a profit making. You know what say? I go change on a bank where bank you own price it down. So I would prefer kind of street. I can't get if na 100,000 I go get pants up stuff. I would prefer like kind of street.
So as you talk, say the people the way una they do business with, most of them are the one we can get foreign account. What's the difference between una with the one they get where they do business with the dollar and bank and also
Then bureau them look like bureau. I just go collect $280 na bureau. How much then go give me? 2,404,000. So now like 100 and something thousand in cuts with the difference in the streets.
So now we then at it, the difference. What's the difference between una with the one they way then a bank?
The difference, the business. Let me tell you one way. When you come with now you they show you your own price, how much you the seller. When you show you price, how much you the seller, and they look to your price, I prefer as well this slab bank. Then myself, somebody there where they come ask me say, "But you get dollar?" If I get some, I don't look say that man they don't cancel and give me. Like just say 850,000. Me say I go look paying because of how they make small profit. I will say, well, give me 853,000, 855,000. You don't go expect me say I will only 800 and something thousand. Even if I go buy business, I not forget small profits. You know, it can't be possible. That they not tell anybody like.
You don't think say that they affect the one that we get banks and people? The way how now they do now your business, that they affect the one that we get banks and people?
How it affects them? In which way? Way it affects them? It just sounds like somebody get in shop, they sell various markets there. Then me in a street. You they sell you that meat 50 loans. What you can do, that meat say when large just say 3 for 2,000. But you need that. You don't go sell and look for shop beside they go sell cheap. So you prefer like can buy another 2,000 ago. You see? So I don't see no need. If you na that na the thing, and then for make the dollar available na street.
So
if the dollar available na street, believe me, dollar not the sell.
So what's the message we go and send out there to the one the way they do business and the one they Safeway believe say they not go do business with you now. Now only banks and people. What's the message we go? How can we want to convince them?
I be don't tell you one say. The business are from the top. Not so we would in a street. Are they sit on a street here? Tell me back. Now sit down, they sit down. I post the car, I can't sell him no so. I post they call me, he sell him me. So how me they make the bankers the losses? Where be say then get the dollar available. Me not get some. Me not 1, 2, 3 paper now they get. So how I will affect
So
it?
how you want to convince now listeners them for
The only advice what they give to the top the bankers when they not take the dollar, like I say, impasse with Leons. The dollar way pass with Leons, the advantage is everybody just value dollar. It can't take a number one in this country. Even we own Leons, they neglect with Leons pass the dollar. The office man and they all in value. This now just let them not hide this secret. Even the one that the minister's office, they all in value dollar. So when you value dollar, tell me $1, only $1. Even woman says have girlfriend and they all the $1 for just for bluff no more. Then you hear say they don't send for me dollar. You don't go say they don't send for millions. So even if you go now bureau, you cannot see they say I send for you. So why you go now Leons they go give you. But you go bluff person say they send for me $200. You don't go tell the person say they send for me 800 how much Leons. So no, you go say they send for me $100 or they send for me 200. Now the dollar in him now they call. So the dollar don't become, I don't know, like how it's man call and say in God we trust. Yeah, in dollar we trust. You see?
Okay, thank you very much.
Exactly, yeah.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Your name?
My name is Alaji Escovina.
Whose business you do now na Seka Stephen Street?
When myself they do black market business, dollar business.
Okay, as you said, they do dollar business now. So, we be hearing you in a press conference where the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation say, "Una way they do black market and una dey quell the price of dollar." I want to know wetin your take on that.
Well, honestly, that's not the view of the Deputy Minister. So we no go say maybe wrong, but actually, wetin dey happen at the field, not like wetin the Deputy Minister talk. Because like black market, we no get power now for raise like $10,000 or $20,000. We only they able get like at least $1,000 or $2,000. Nothing like that they will able raise, which then customers are not able for go to map the line in a bank for go to me $500, $300 or $1,000 that they get on a bank. Pass they get for Kana street. Now only street the people can get like that. So I'm not sure if somebody will only sell $1,000, $300, $500, $600 go able influence the general price of dollar in the country. So I'm not sure if what's in the Deputy Minister talk they in line with what's in the happen at the street. I'm not sure.
So how now they do na your business, na the street, na your dollar business?
So like just like how they tell you, customers and they will come between our streets. Then at the one day where they buy lower amounts of dollars, we know they will go to map na bank for say me want to get about $1,000. The bank no go to get like $10 they for sell give because like they no get foreign account na bank. So except they go for kind of black market within our streets. Now we they able raise small amounts of dollars. We help them they get down there they go about the normal business.
What is the difference between the way how they do business with the one way they do in our banks and the one way get bigger?
Well, first of all, I would say maybe the bigger and the banks and then they deal with larger quantities and we don't get that one day at all because like number one we own safety safe now, number one na paramount something to we go take $10,000, $20,000 go keep on our house we do click out on our street for can do business in case if man can attack you they go for can go obviously. So like we know they deal with that one a day. We they deal with people that we can buy in small scale business. Some customers they free to maybe they go on Guinea, Conakry, they go buy in half things they can sell and free to they buy only in highest amount of dollars we go get now something like $1,000 or at least about putting at $2,000 no go pass down there. So we can deal with people like that. But if they talk about people and now where they do large scale business, like the one day where they go outside for go export, go buy goods and import in the country, they want they enable kind of black market because they go for buying $1,000, $50, $100, $150, $200,000. They don't go kind of black market for can buy except they go to the bank for go buy. So like people like that we know they no go to country. That they make the difference between we and the bigger and the banks there.
So now how much they buy and how much they sell the dollar?
Well, now you can have black market for now. The rates within the black market, we buy dollar 900,000. If you come for Canberra and back 920,000, 910,000, we can sell to the customers.
So now bank how much right now?
I'm not too good idea anyway. Make a not lie, but I believe it is a little bit below that range they were called for you. So.
What's another message we go on for saying now that our government? How you go on for advice of our government on the dollar issue?
Honestly, this one. Me say number one, I feel sorry for the government and the country as a whole, because like this now inflation. When dollar they go up now the country, not only they affect the country, the government, they affect we the people and everything in the country. Because also like this phone war also now. Before this time, if dollar there something like 700 or 800,000, if you go buy this phone here, the price go lower. But if dollar don't go to 900,000, you go buy this phone here, the price go higher. Similar example, like let's say restaurant are the common goods we everybody need at the country. Before this time, where dollar in rates they low, the price for one cup rice they down because the people where they go buy outside over yonder where they buy cow the business now. If they don't buy dollar higher price, they buy lower rates. They go buy where they save can. They not go for make the goods high price. So the living condition for the common person, if the rates of the dollar low, it go there to normal, it not go there up. But like when they up, they affect the country. Then we say within a line, where dollar they go up, so they affect me. Because like the government they look at and say one way or the other. Now we within a street where they do black market business, maybe now we they make the dollar price they go up, but it not be like that because they affect you. Let's say like you get something like $1,000 now you earn, now you dey turn for do your business. Now the dollar rate can go up. If that $1,000 now be something like 7 million or 8 million, then the dollar don't can go to 9 million. So definitely you know get $1,000 you earn again. Your money don't come down to $700, $800, and that you don't get. So one way or the other, we no go able balance side, they affect you all. So we're not happy for the thing like that at all. We say for one leg government do all kind way we go able do for sky for suppress this rate here, make it not go up, make it come down, so things will go on well for we in the country.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello, welcome to this interview. Name?
Yes, how are you? Me and Mr. Kalon.
Okay, I go on for those business you do now.
Well, a dollar business will they do.
Okay, I go want to make you tell me something about the dollar business because we'll be there in a press conference where the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation say, una way they do dollar business that treat and una they pull the price of dollar.
Not at all. Not only they make the dollar price they go up, not only they pull the price.
Okay.
But in they make dollar they go up because this country will not get no mineral or produce what they send internationally, what they get in return with a dollar, foreign currency. So the foreign currency way they are, 9 traders then they buy, then can go Liberia, then can go Banjul, then can go Dubai, then can go China, then can go Guinea. So where they go to a dollar no they can again, now goods they come. And where the goods they can, now in Lyons, people and they buy. Where they buy in Lyons, then they buy dollar back. So the dollar they find out say now out they go. Other one no they no source no the way they bring dollar come in. Now they make the dollar price they go up.
So what is the difference between una and the bank?
Well, we and the bank the bank they put the price, say na this price, okay. It minimum. But when you go say you want you know they get the dollar. But we can na black market, it they get them because na open market. Okay. So na that.
So the way how a manner way una they do una your business. What kind of people level una they do business with you?
Well, we do business with individual. Business people, individual. Where then they come, I get $100, we talk, we meet up, we buy them from them. Where then they come, $100, we talk, we meet up, we sell and give them. Now individual. We know they do business with company, we know they do business with bank. We just sit down by God in power. One paper can buy, without one buy, we can sell them.
So the dollar now, how much una they buy and how much una they sell?
Well, dollar right now, we they buy 930. We they sell 950.
So what's another message we go want to send out there to our government concerning
Well,
the dollar?
the message what they sell to government, that government try to bring investors then come, bring companies then come. Where company then come, where they mine the minerals then company then come where they do agriculture, where they get produce like coffee, cacao, etc., etc. So where they go do that market, we will get dollar from that. Just like first time where SLPMB been there, Sierra Leone producing market. Where SLPMB been there, would they even make palm ball rice? Would they buy corn? Would they buy banga? Would they buy cocoa? Would they buy coffee? We will send them. Where them go sell them, would they get dollar? Go get dollar. If government want anything from there, go buy the balance. The balance dollar put na the central bank. So if they find out say the dollar, no, they go up rapidly.
Okay,
yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too.
Name?
My name K.
Oh, what's business you do na Savo Street here?
When a dollar would they buy and sell.
Okay, I'm going for me to tell you something about the dollar business now.
Well, the dollar business is not stable because we no get enough dollar in the country where they make let all man get. Because the local marketers then when they buy them common goods and they no get access to the dollar bank.
Okay, and people believe say una way they do business with dollar na treat now they make the dollar price the poor.
Not a we. We na individual people that we deal with. Then when they no get access for go na bank for go buy dollar day. Because we go na bank they say na investors then they get the dollar for when they buy rice, fuel from the government and they get dollar. Then they go for 100, 200 and they will get them. They say we go the time when they take they not get the dollar then they come black market. Then when they can sell $100, $200 when they sell car, then buy 200, 100 and go. how they sell the market, na so they come buy. We get 100 money, come buy, get and go keeper. Say how the business they go, we don't sell. And for go now, go buy the business back. And you know they can't go Lyons, they don't accept Lyons. We go Guinea, they don't accept. Senegal, they don't accept. China, they don't accept. Liberia, they don't accept Lyons. So now the problem now the way the dollar is scarce because the demand of the dollar is high.
So what's the difference between you now with the bank?
Well, the bank then they sell at a price where government don't put. We now will not get stable price. Then when they can sell, if we get 1,000 difference, we buy, who sell, we get 1,000. So now the only difference than the between me and the bank.
So what's the advice we go on for people government concerning the dollar?
Well, let the investor then can let the dollar day. If the dollar day, people in mind they go what's the food day, dollar day, Lyons day way suppress the dollar so that nothing they go up as rampage where government no go able to control.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Name?
Abaka Mansare, they call me Pagal. Me now is a general for Free Street Dollar Base Organization.
Okay, I go want to make you tell you something about the dollar business right now.
Well, dollar business, it go on actually because this don't be from inception. Free Street Service near the headquarters for black market. Dollar begin from the 70s. They do dollar business now. We say born now, we dollar business exist here. So now all one is in our Lumley, Shell, Secastin PZ, all now they come on and go sit on the other side and day. So you are the main headquarters this now for dollar business.
Okay, as you say, you're not the main headquarters for dollar business. And we'll be there in a press conference. The Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation say the black market and then they spoil the price of dollar. I want to make your take on that.
No, I disagree with the Deputy Minister of Transport because if you say the black market and they spoil dollar, I disagree with that completely. Because looking at the trend of how dollar they go in this country, to start with, black market they all over the world. Even the bigger country, they get black market. It exists all over. Yeah, no exception. We say do black market now, yeah, as we say, but not only they make dollar they go up. Dollar now a kind of demand and supply. Where dollar they enough in the market, you understand? Though the demand for a low, dollar they can't do. Definitely, nobody want to hold. It is selling to the price where you want for sell, you pull your money. But when dollar is scarce in the market, the demand for a high, they come about the price where the price they go up. Because whenever the goods at the market is shorting, you understand, the price they high. That's the dollar business. When it's shorting, and this time now dollar shorting, no day at all. If you go to the banks, they put price, but when you go for buy that dollar at the bank, you know they get up. You know they at the bank. So for saying how the black market they make it there, no, then I disagree with that. We they help we people we no go to bank for go buy am. We they for South people we they go to Guinea, Banjul, you understand? Liberia, we no go to bank for go buy am in bulk in quantity. We they can buy that 300, 400, 500. We they give service to the nation. So if you say now we they make dollar business they spoil, no, then they not correct. Not to we.
As you say, sometimes person can go to a bank, then you know they get the dollar deal, but when you come to now, you go meet dollar now. How that they happen?
Well, of course it happen. As I tell you, black market, it exists. It exists. We get at all time. We say we get people know they sell gibi.
Okay.
Like they say they come overseas where they come, they count in little quantity, they sell gibi. So when we get time for sell a bank, if you can sell gibi now, we say buy na the hand. We say the other way they buy for business in Guinea, Banjul, or side them, they can buy to we. We say they sell gibi. So that the way business will operate.
So what's the difference between Una with the bank?
Our difference is great. You know, bank price they look and say they put a lesser, but I tell you, we're going to get it. We now we own it look the up small, past the bank rate. We get on, we can want to get it. You understand? Because there's even the other they can sell you. When they say they come, they want to sell high. They want to sell high. Like for now, is for instance now dollar will be buying 9,500 for one. We say they sell 9,600. Currently that's what it did now. You understand? If Papa that person we count and someone can sell, he don't pin by you saying a 9,500. Papa that's what they sell you. And you say for one, you say you for live with your family. So you say go buy and you say sell at 9,600. You say get you one block. So if you $100,000, you get 10,000 profit. That's how they operate.
So what is the advice we go on for give people government concerning the dollar issue?
Well, my advice to government, let them look at you say una bad people them, una people them where they cause problem na society or the economy. No, we dey for help the economy. We dey tell our government, let them first strategy where they go count investors, bring down industries, bring down investors, they can invest. Because if the government don't get side forget foreign currency, you understand? It go difficult for them to stabilize them. They forget society forget foreign currency. If they export goods them, when they bring them in return, they bring them foreign currency, they never stabilize them. But as far as they never do that one day, this problem you go ask for let's solve. Now the only way down they're going to get foreign currency is reserve, because if reserve there, definitely they're going to stabilize them. Now this I will tell government, they go all out, they will bring down investors, they will bring down industry, they mind they begin for big operation, big export, count foreign currency. Because now I tell you, one way they would do that, the one they say they count boost them. If they just somebody they say they come, they count boost them, they come for cancel. What do they sell? Then they go that loans, then they buy dollar back, then they go back beside them come out. So you see the trend now, it's difficult. Now me the thing is shorting at the market. Everybody wants time. Now demand will hot at the market. Business people want time, somebody say want time. So this is the problem. But the government able to tackle that area there. They count investors, open industries, sell goods them out, export. So we get export goods, like agriculture, that area we talk about. That's about if they able, if we side we get exports, it go fine for we. It go fine for we. That one day. So Mr. Minister, we are not so we. We beg not to make dollar the poor, not to make dollar the high, not so we. We they there for serve people them. The grassroots people them now they for serve. We never serve the investor. We want for buy them on the $1,000, $20,000. We never serve them. Now don't they buy that 200, 300, 400. Now they will serve. So now they wait that one day. They don't want to buy 200. They never go to bank for go buy no. Person can't to be. So now they wait that one day. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes. In Alaji.
And most business they do now Second Civil Street here.
In a dollar they change.
Yeah, we'll be doing a press conference where the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation say, una way they do black market with dollar, like una way they change dollar and street on the fuel price of dollar. Go on for no waiting are you saying all that?
It's just like way it is say the factory where they make like a bread. They go sell give people where they go eat bread. You understand? So you go say the factory go blame the bread seller say and the bread seller they spoil the price. No. The way how the dollar don't dey now, make I tell you something. We need the export. The minister forgets that. We need the export because of the export now make dollar no the flow na this country. And one thing done there. And they're very serious. The black markets not get anything for do with dollar. The past 2-3 years, where dollar not be, where we been then at it's here to do business. You understand? The people that know say not to we they suppress the dollar, not to we they pressure the dollar. You understand? Then no ever can red winner say, hey, na this them blame you. They not cast no blame on dollar person. Then no say, then get a regulation within the control way for dollar for calm down. You understand? Way not to black markets. You get me? You just start like way the flu send something at street for sale. After that, you they say, hey, now this na dandy. But if you go on in that good way, you go on other way for say, let me try for find out how this thing they go down. Then go, then get technocrat and then get economist and other thing. Then people then go school. Then sabi how to analyze the dollar thing they are. Not to black markets they do that day. You understand? If our black market they get dollar, not to way it come, and we no come, black market they get dollar. And we make sure say the dollar come, it flow. We say the losses per dollar. Because we boku with the losses. Just like we the export, it count the dollar boku one. Where it count and boku, that you don't pressure we. That's with the losses. We not go ever they continue for do this business. You understand? So now that.
So what's the difference between owner with the bank and the the difference in the way how now they do now your dollar business and the way how banks and because they do their own?
A bank they own, then get administrative way how they do their own. You understand? And I know to know into deeper than they do. Just now administration no more. Now that's me no.
So we get any different price for the way how now it's changing and the way how banks and they do their
That's me no know because me no sabi the own price, me sabi my own price, me no sabi the own price.
So what's another message we go on for saying out there to our government in terms of the dollar issue?
What are they tell the government and the ministers? Let them not frown at we. Understand? We don't create unemployment for ourselves. Understand? And self-employed we do. Understand? And this we don't depend on for the past 40, 50 years. People don't depend on till today we depend on. You understand? So where it don't happen so sir. Where it don't happen so, you understand? Let them not take us in a way. You understand? If they able to control the way how me don't tell and say that the export will not the export, they try to make African mineral under mining and the likes of all the companies that will be there, then come na this country, it go be nice for we. People they not go grumble for dollar or no dollar. So now that's not the issue, sir.
Listen to waiting the dollar people the one the way they change dollar na different side and at the city where na Saka Stephen Street, PZ and also Free Street and South Street don't talk. As I say, waiting the Deputy Minister of Transport and Aviation talk about the dollar business and say that's not so true. Me wake up with this program so na today, me your name na Aisatu Smile say. So tell this program talk to the camera go meet you now again. I say tata.